Still using only ChatGPT? You need to change your habits. Look at this result, which was generated by Genspark. These posters for the party are made in different varieties and in a matter of 30 seconds. Stay tuned and I will tell you what Genspark is, and of course you have your own link below this video to try it out with free credits for sure. And yes, we are ready to start, but before we start, click the subscribe button to get updated on the new videos that I make. Let's go. Talking about Genspark, 30 people in the team, $1 billion valuation in just 6 months. And yes, this is Silicon Valley's first AI agent, which is launching the next generation all-in-one AI workspace. You can create almost everything. AI slides, AI sheets, docs, developer page for creating websites, AI designer, images, videos, so on and so forth. Everything is here, even podcasts. Yes, everything is packed right here. So actually, yes, it's easier to have Genspark than all the platform and all the subscriptions for AI engines. Let's try it out. For example, AI designer. Some tasks that back in the times could take hours or even days to create. Right here, I can write, create a poster for a sales season in my vintage store, and let's see the result. It took me 2 minutes to get the final result. For you, time was flying instantly. So here you go. For example, vintage sale, timeless treasures, sale vintage finds, which is cool, so on and so forth. Of course, you can choose it. You can AI edit that. You can change the elements. For example, the text, so on and so forth, and it's gonna be different. Yes. Yes, it takes some time for the engine to change it, but in general, it's pretty easy to do. What else? Let's go to some other things that would be interesting to explore here. You can also add a text, you can add image, you can advanced edit that, background remover, magic eraser, magic redrawer, so on and so forth. Yes, a lot of different stuff available for your edit. So the moment I put the, instead of sale text, right, the machine texted me that text might be a placeholder. Did you want to replace it with something specific, store name or discount percentage? And here there are options. Change the headline to my store name, replace text with 50% off, use big sale as the main headline, and specific sale dates for the poster. Yes. Pretty intuitive, no much hustle, and no need to know the design. Let's move on to another feature that Genspark has to offer. Okay, let's take this time AI slides and let's work with that. Let's enter the presentation topic. Worldwide usage of smartphones. Oh my god. Yes, smartphones. And let's go. Okay, my friends, it took me 3 minutes for the engine to create me how many slides? It's already 4 slides out of 10. It's still in progress. I'm not gonna wait till the very last moment, but what I can show you already. Worldwide usage of smartphones. That was my topic that I wanted to explore and research. So from now on, any research which must happen for you, you know, and which could take you actually weeks, days, it depends what topic you're exploring. Right now it's pretty easy to do, especially in terms of work and presentations. Done in minutes, and it's accurate. Look at this. Global snapshot. 5.78 billion smartphone users, active devices 7.21 billion. What else? The countries, regional penetration, United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, and Italy. Adoption by age. For example, from 18 till 29, it's the most number of usage of the phone's daily usage patterns. For example, in Philippines, it's 5 hours, 47 minutes, so on and so forth. So yes, it's a cool thing for you to flex in front of your employees and team. Let's move on to another feature. And one more feature that I decided to try it out is AI Sheet. My request was make a shopping list with columns that calculate my expenses. Let's see what's gonna happen. I am not expecting much. Let's see if it works, for example, for everyday usage. Okay, and let's see what's right here. For example, item, category, quantity, unit price, and subtotal. And this column calculates everything as far as I understand. And we can see the sum is 36.39 with every Excel or Google Sheet form. You can calculate everything like this and it gives you the amount. And maybe it's good, you know, if you keep track of your expenses at home, you can create this sheet and put different like products, for example, oranges, yeah, or like here, it's gonna be right here, oranges, right? You put like fruits, 1 point or like 2.0, and the price is $4.99. And the total is, let's calculate the total, or let's make it like this, yeah. So in general, it works well. I mean, you can also do professional calculations or professional sheets with some work reports, financial reports, so on and so forth. Analytics are easy to do when you have these AI sheets made in a matter of 30-40 seconds. Yes. So again, I'm reminding you that I'm leaving the link below this video right for you to try Genspark right away with free credits available upon registration. And yes, Genspark is offering unlimited usage of the AI chat and AI image features for all of 2026. Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image, Flux, Seedream, Gemini 3 Pro, GPT 5.2, Claude Opus 4.5, and more top models inside these two features are available with unlimited access. Please check it out and try it away, because it will give you a great benefit comparing to those who are not using this. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with a new portion of great news. Bye-bye.